software engineering. First word is software and second word is engineering. What is software? Software is collection of programs. Software is a collection of programs. And what is engineering? Engineering is to develop a new system or a new things with the scientific approach or method. With the scientific approach or method to develop a new system. Now a question came in the mind, what is system? A system is a group of interrelated components to work together to achieve a common goal. Means it has many components which work together to achieve a common goal. Suppose we have a system called education system. In this we have a many components. First component is student, second is syllabus, third is fee, number 4 is teachers, and number 5 is examination. These 5 components work together to achieve a common goal. And what is the common goal? Common goal is to well educate the students. So if these components work well, then our system will be success. Now came to the some popular system. First is education system, second is solar system, third is water supply system, and number 4 is electricity system. Now we have some basic points about the system. A system must be designed to achieve a predetermined goal. We have a goal. That is, a system must be designed according to our goal. Second point is the components are connected with each other and depend upon each other. That is, these components are dependent upon each other and well connected with the components. Number 3, objective of the organization is to be to importance than the individual. Now came to the characteristics of the system. There are 5. First is organization. In this we have a hierarchical approach, means first level, second level and third level, and structure approach and ordering of a component, means we have a structured level and hierarchy of component, means level first, level second and level third and level 4 and so on. Second is interaction between the various components of the system. The more is interaction and less is success rate of the system. Third is integration, means how the components are attached with each other. How the components are attached with each other. It may be fully or it may be partial with the another component. Number 4, interdependence, means one component is how much depend upon the another component. Means one component is how much depend upon the another component. This is called interdependence. It should be less. Number 5 and last is central objective. Every company or every team has some central objective or some goal or some aim which is to be achieved first, so that we can get the desired output with the some input.